So let's start the day, eh? Jetty's kicking. Haven't put the power on yet. Mine's alive. I'll see it at views at the bottom. Rightio, down at the bottom. The light. Well, what's been going on in here? Digging, 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 digging. Welcome to the office. Haven't got air switched on yet. There's the switch that off so when I do, there's I got water drain out. I won't be breathing that shit in later. Getting ready to cart it all out. Move these faces out so I can get back in here and dig. Take them two out. Take that one out. We'll take that one out today. And that one. I can leave them for another day. Didn't have much trace going on last dig. So I like to dig a few drives at once. Similar direction. Take out as much as you can. And I am old school, I don't do it fancy, this is all done by hand. That's what you call a rickshaw. You fill it with the shovel and put it in the bucket. Alright. Rickshaw action, eh? Alright, I've done this before. I've driven this with one hand. Let's go. Oh, already starting to get puffed. This would have been easier if I waited for the GoPro to charge, but oh well. You get what you get. Pull the cord. Up she goes. This is the beautiful thing about opal, but that stone I cut, should I go all in or nothing for? Yeah, that was worth playing with, because look. That was only a little bit of it. Look at the other half I found on the ground. Hey, you get another chance at it. Look at that. Look how big this one is. Oh, this is crazy. I might sell this one in the rough. What do you think? What do you think? Nah, too good of a chunk not to have a go at, eh? It was beautiful colour. Just had sand in it. It's known to get better, and that looks a lot better than the other stuff. Wow. Well, it must be a good day for it, because going through the last dig, can you see it? Sitting in there somewhere. Where is it hiding? Where is it? Oh, boom. Look at that. Loving it. Another one on the ground from last time's digging. Different drive. Wow. Thank you for watching. So it's about to get loud in here with the air hammer. So I dig it out with this bad boy right here. It does makes a lot of noise. Moves a lot. Yeah, swinging on that is a lot of fun. Into the digging. I tell you what, people, when it rains, it pours. You'll have to see this one for sure. Can you see that one standing out? Look at that. That fell out of the wall. Look at that. That's incredible. Hey, what a day. What a beautiful day. Thank you, Lord. All I can truly say at the end of it all. Wow. Just rolling out one after the other. Banger after banger.